How to amend tax returns on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to FreeTaxUSA website. To do that, open your preferred browser, navigate to search bar and type in freetaxusa.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of FreeTaxUSA. Scroll down and click on Start 2024 Return. Then you will reach on this page. So if you are a new user, click on Create New Account and follow the setup steps. But if you are a returning user, enter your username and password and click on Sign In Now button. After that, you simply need to click on the tax return you need to amend and choose Amend a Return or File an Amendment. Select the correct tax year you want to amend. Once done, you need to update income deductions credit or other details as needed and follow FreeTaxUSA step-by-step guidance to ensure accuracy. Then you need to double check all the changes before submitting and ensure the amendments are correctly entered. Follow the on-screen prompts to file your amended return, and if you owe additional taxes, FreeTaxUSA will provide payment options. If you are eligible for a refund, select your preferred refund method. And after that, you need to save confirmation and records. And if you have any issues, you can contact FreeTaxUSA customer support for assistance. And that's how you amend your tax return on FreeTaxUSA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.